Hello viewers, this is IT System Admin, a complete troubleshooting solution for you. Today in this tutorial, I am going to show you how to enable or disable automatic updates for Microsoft Store apps in Windows 10 and Windows 11 computer. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. The Microsoft Store offers a wide range of applications which include games, tools, and other programs. Some of these applications are pre-installed in both Windows 10 and Windows 11 computer by default. This is also kept updated by Microsoft, and your system automatically installs these updates when they are available. Most of the time, a Windows user would not even notice that their internet bandwidth is being consumed because of these updates being installed in the background. That's why sometimes user may want to disable automatic update apps from Windows stores. Now I'm going to show you how to do this. Click on search, type store. Nope. This is Microsoft Store app. Click on Microsoft Store app. You will find all available apps here, and you can install apps from here. Now, click on sign in icon. Now, click on app settings. Look, the first option is app update. Update apps automatically. Just turn it off, and this will disable all automatic updates for Microsoft Store apps. And if you want to enable it, just turn it on. Okay, now I am going to turn it off. Now close Microsoft Store. Now Microsoft Store app will not automatically download updates in your computer. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.